Ayos din. Welcome po sa East West Game Show. Pasensya na po, medyo malalaman po. First time ko po mag-host. Pasensya na po talaga. Okay, mag-isag na po. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Gusto ko lang po na magpasalamat kay Lord na safe tayong lahat na nakarating dito, and gusto ko magpasalamat po sa support ang binibigay niyo po sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Una-muna po sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa East West Executive Management Team for this opportunity, and sa lahat ng media na nandito ngayon. Sobrang honored po ako to be standing here in front of you, not just as representative of Philippine sports, but now as an official ambassador of East West Bank. Sobrang excited po ako to be with all of you today for this special event with East West. Nakakatuwa lang po kasi mas matanda lang po ng ilang taon sa akin ng East West na 30 years na ngayon. Samantalang ako ay 24 pa lang. Kaya feeling ko mas malapit ang connection ko sa values and principles ng bank na to. Siguro maraming nagtatanong sa inyo kung paano nagsimula po lahat talaga to. Paano siya nangyari? Bakit East West po? Naging part ako ng East West family when I became a client in 2023. And from day one po, hindi ko naramdaman na isa lang ako sa madaming customers nila. As an athlete, halos lahat po talaga ng oras ko napupunta sa ensayo, and kailangan ko po talagang mag-focus kasi nalalapit na nga po talaga yung Olympics, and lahat po ng time, preparation, doon po talaga napupunta. And bilang naging member po ng East West, hindi ko po naisip na mahihirapan ako sa ma-secure yung money ko. And habang nag-compete, habang nag-training camps, hindi ko talaga siya naiisip, hindi ako nai-stress, hindi ako wala talaga, super smooth talaga ng naging journey ko with East West. Isa pa rin po sa mga rason kung bakit natural ang partnership na ito is because nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa East West. Pareho kami naniniwala sa pushing limits, constantly striving to be better, and never settling for just good enough. Sa gymnastics, bawat galaw at bawat routine is about reaching new heights. At nakita ko na si East West ay ganun din sa banking. Lagi silang nag-i-innovate to serve their clients better. At yun po ang dahilan kung bakit sobrang proud ako to represent them. We both want to inspire people to dream big and work hard. It's about showing that no matter where you start, you can always go further. To everyone here today, especially the younger generation, I want to say, don't wait to take control of your future. Whether you're aiming for a gold medal or financial security, it's always better to start early. With East West, natutunan ko kung paano magplano ng maayos para sa financial future ko. As I continue my journey in life and gymnastics, knowing that East West is behind me gives me so much confidence. Not just in my sport, but sa buhay ko rin. To East West, maraming salamat po ulit sa opportunity na ito. I'm honored to officially be part of the East West family, and I'm looking forward to what we can accomplish together. And to everyone here today, dream big, work hard, and of course, bank strong. Maraming salamat po.